in this video. The Bitcoin price is right now trying to test the bull market support band, as right now we are seeing a massive warning within the whole crypto market. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa ating previous analysis, what we were monitoring was this support around the 44.3k kasi that is a very strong support area na which we have to watch out for kasi if ma-break natin yan, then that is going to be a very dangerous move ngayon kay Bitcoin. Kasi if we're going to look back in time, this daily time frame na yan, itong area na yan, was previously a very strong support area. So previously, dun tayo nakakuha ng bounce kay Bitcoin. We actually saw that resistance multiple times, and right now, it's going to act as a support. And today, we actually tested that once again, and sadly, we broke down from that support area. So right now, we are currently heading down with the Bitcoin price. But the question is, what's next for the Bitcoin price? So diba, on top of that, sinasabi ko sa inyo din kahapon is, what we have to monitor next is for us to form a bullish divergence kasi, of course, bullish divergence are a signs of a bullish trend reversal. However, wala pa tayong nakitang signs of a bullish trend reversal. Though nagkaroon tayo ng potential bullish divergence kahapon. Ayan o. This was a potential bullish divergence around this area kahapon. But sadly, it did not play out. We saw this price declining. At the same time, the RSI started increasing. However, we started breaking down with the Bitcoin price. So that invalidated the bullish divergence. So right now, as you can see, Bitcoin price is still declining, and as of now, wala pa tayong signs of a bullish trend reversal within the early time frame, especially within the 4-hour time frame. So right now, I don't think na makita tayo ng bullish trend reversal, or I don't think na mag-expect tayo ng bullish retracement for the very short term. But as you can see, I think we are going to consolidate dito further with the Bitcoin price for the time being muna kasi look at this. We are currently getting oversold within the 4-hour time frame, especially within the early time frame. So this could indicate na magkakaroon tayo ng buying pressure within this period. But yun nga, still no signs of a bullish trend reversal. What you can do actually dito is you can actually buy the dip if let's say you're into spot trading kasi these are now opportunities to re-enter the market. If let's say you are a long-term investor, then this is actually one of the best time to invest once again in Bitcoin. So right now, it's actually posing as a very good entry opportunity if let's say you're entering for the very long term. But right now, for the short term, yun nga, wala tayong signs of a bullish trend reversal. And right now, we are currently forming a new resistance within the 20 moving average in the early time frame. Kasi look at this. This green line is now going to act as a resistance dito kay Bitcoin. And on top of that, if you're going to zoom in, so let's dive into the 15-minute time frame, you can also see that we are starting to form a rising wedge, and rising wedge is typically a bearish pattern to the downside, which is on target natin would be the bottom of the wedge, which is around the 42.8k. So right now, that is what I'm currently monitoring if you're going to play out this rising wedge. So take note, yung aking monitor ngayon for the time being. And right now, we are actually trying to retest this support. Itong previous support is now going to act as a resistance. And let's see if bababa to si Bitcoin price. But yeah, right now, that is what I'm currently monitoring with the Bitcoin price, especially now we are seeing this rising wedge within the 15-minute time frame. So in this case, ang target natin is around the 42.8k if you're going to play this rising wedge. And yeah, let's see if makita tayo ng sell volume bumaba to si Bitcoin price within the 15-minute time frame. But yeah, right now we are seeing this early time frame resistance around the 20 MA within the early time frame. And then ito din yung gusto ko ipakita sa inyo guys, which is actually the weekly time frame. As you can see, the 21-week EMA, which is the bull market support band na ilang beses ko na sa inyo pinakita, is right now going to act as a support. And right now, we have to monitor this if we are going to hold the bull market support band. Kasi take note, whenever now we are above this area and if we are able to hold this, then we are going to confirm a long-term bull market. Pero right now, we are actually trying to break below. So as of the time being, we still have to wait out for a confirmation of a weekly candle close na ating long-term bull market. So right now, wala pa tayong confirmation ngayon kasi right now we are actually trying to break down. So as of the time being, if we want to know or understand yung kung kailan yung pinakang confirmation ng ating breakdown or confirmation ng long-term bull market, we have to wait up until next Monday at 8 AM for the weekly candle close if magka-close tayo above the bull market support band. And right now, the bull market support band is ranging around the 44.3K area. So in order for us to say na we are 100% bullish with the Bitcoin price, we must close above the 44.3K with the Bitcoin price action next week talaga. So right now, this is a major warning kasi if let's say we are going to close below, then yeah, that could be bearish for the whole crypto market. But if you're going to stay above, then of course, that is going to be bullish for the whole crypto market. Pero guys, if let's say you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, one of the best places to trade that is actually in Bybit. And if you want to claim bonus with Bybit, just use my sign up link that you can find in the description down below. So that is for the Bitcoin price action. Now, let's talk about the altcoin markets quickly. And as you can see, Bitcoin dominance has been increasing. And look at this. Umakat si Bitcoin dominance the moment na na-touch natin yung ating support area nitong Bitcoin dominance. Kasi diba sabi ko sa inyo, this could potentially end the altcoin season if let's say magkaroon tayo ng bounce dito sa ating Bitcoin dominance. And look at that guys, that played out exactly as predicted. So congratulations if you've been monitoring the Bitcoin dominance. And diba, nag-call din tayo the other day na meron tayong potential warning with the altcoin market. Especially na if let's say umakit yung Bitcoin dominance, then that would indicate na we have to focus more with the Bitcoin price action rather than the altcoin market. And look at that guys, it's actually playing out exactly ngayon. And as you can see, we are now entering into the resistance area nito Bitcoin dominance. So if let's say we are going to get resisted dito, then we might see a potential very short-term altcoin season if let's say we are going to get rejected further by this within this Bitcoin dominance resistance. But yeah, if let's say mag-move to sideways, then kung ano yung galaw ni Bitcoin, yun din magiging galaw ng altcoins. But if let's say nag-break to the upside, then that is bad for the altcoin market kasi that would indicate na people are now moving their money from altcoin market to the Bitcoin market. So as of the time being, in order to understand if altcoins is going to remain healthy, you have to follow the Bitcoin dominance chart very closely. If pataas siya, then that is bad. Pero if pababa siya, then that is going to indicate na altcoins are going to perform better. And with that being said, let's give you a quick update with the altcoin market, especially with Ethereum. So as you can see, di ba ka Ethereum, di ba minamonitor natin yung rising wedge which actually went down. And look at this, it actually now met our target around the 3.2K. And it actually went lower dito ka Ethereum. But as you can see, right now we are still declining dito with Ethereum. And right now we are still not seeing any signs of a bullish trend reversal. Siguro, this is an early sign ng this could be an early sign of a bullish trend reversal kasi look at this, price is declining while RSI is starting to increase. But yeah, siguro that could be a good sign for Ethereum. But I think it's still too early to tell pa. But yeah, this could be an indicator na we might see a bullish trend reversal with Ethereum. Yeah, as of the time being, at least meron tayong very short-term indicator na meron tayong potential na bullish divergence with the Ethereum price action, which is right now we have to monitor. And right now, if let's say this is going to play out, then I think we might see somehow ng consolidation dito kay Ethereum. I think what you can actually watch out dito kay Ethereum would be the 20 MA as well as the 50 MA within the early time frame. Similar with Bitcoin, 20 and 50 MA is going to act as a resistance right now with the Ethereum price action. So yun muna siguro update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.